Hello everyone, my name is Ramandeep Kaur Johal. My student ID is 201862143. I'm from Melbourne campus. This is my assessment to SWOT analysis from Unit MGM3107 from Strategical Management in Tourism and Hospitality. I have chosen a Pullman Hotel in Albert Park in Melbourne for this assignment. Let's begin first with the introduction. The Pullman Hotel is one of the famous and widely known hotels for its unique services in Melbourne. In this report, I'm going to study about the strategic management in the Pullman Hotel and application of SWOT analysis and the identification of critical issues of the Pullman Hotel along with its significance. I'm also going to evaluate the strategical management and the competitive advantage of the Pullman Hotel. Now I'm going to talk about the theoretical position from the Pullman Hotel context. The theoretical position from the context of the hotel determines its position in the market compared to its competitors so that the competitive advantage of the hotel can be analyzed. The hotel's position can be determined its provision of good facilities to the guest and develop a good perception in the minds of the guest. The better positioning strategy help to improve competitive advantage and allow the hotel to use its services and facilities in a better way to create a huge profit for its tourism business as well as gain better position in the Australian market. Now I'm going to discuss about the strategic management literature and competitive advantage. Let's first begin with the strategic management literature. It helps in maintain a good relationship with customers, influence the workers to work in a team, motivate the workers regarding duties, determine the strength and weakness. Competitive advantage. The hotel provides numerous features and benefits to the customers. The special facility of the hotel is that they have 31 separate function rooms. They also provide delightful experience to their guests and provide membership card to the guest. Now I'm going to discuss about the SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is a key part of any business intelligence plan. SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Strength and weakness are the internal factors and opportunity and threat are the external factors. A SWOT diagram analyzes a project or business mere by focusing on each of these factors. Let's first begin with the strength of the hotel. Hotel service. Services were additionally recorded as a quality by all the respondents. Service of the hotel like conference hall, clubhouse, fitness center, spa, window, restaurant, bar and in the room massage. The hotel also gave seasonal hotel package and the exclusive specials to the guest. Brand and hotel staff. The brand of the hotel put a great effect on the hotel success and also on the mind of the customers. The chain of the hotel is to maintain the reputation of the hotel by providing good quality and excellent service to all the customers. Another quality recorded as a strength is the staff of the hotel. Customers also notice the environment among the staff member. If the employees were working in a team and respecting each other, then customers love the atmosphere of the hotel. The another strength is location. Location of the hotel is the most important strength of the hotel. This hotel is located near the St Kilda and the Chapel Street. This hotel is the overlooking picturesque of Albert Park Lake, home to the Formula One Australian Grand Prix. Now I'm going to talk about the weakness. Strict rules. The employees of the Pullman Hotel faced strict challenges because of the strict rules in the company. This often caused dissatisfaction of to the employees and which result poor customer service. Product. Nowadays, many companies are adopting traditional way to present their product, but Pullman Hotel product sold is not still updated in traditional feed. The another one is high cost. The price of the room is quite high because they are providing good services and product, but it is not become a but now it has become a issue for the customers. They want to pay less and want more from the hotel. Now I'm going to discuss about the opportunities of the Pullman Hotel. Motivation. Ultimately, respondents say that the increasing the motivation of the workers will result a good opportunity for the hotel internally. If employees are high motivated, their performance will be greatly improved and the customers will appreciate their work and quality. Marketing trend. Sometimes the weakness of the an association can switch to opportunity. New thoughts concerning the product sold in journal could help in the marketing the hotel. Nowadays, the majority of the hotel use the internet network like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and so many. These could help the hotel to attract the new customers and simultaneously keep the old customers up to date. Threats. Competitors. The majority of the respondents say that the cost of the competitors were a major danger to the hotel. Likewise, itself that are innovative appeal more to the customers and the current result of the hotel being referred to the could be old and exhausting. However, increasing competition from the other companies is threat to the Pullman Hotel in Melbourne. New innovative product. The hotel has to offer good premises with great times. However, the method of the traveling become easier. The request of the customer increasing. This hotel not had innovative product with the traditional touch for a while, which may result in a customers inclining towards competitors' hotel with modern traditional items. Now I'm going to discuss about the two strategical issues of the Pullman Hotel. The first one is hiring the skilled staff. Hiring the skilled staff. It is very hard to find good staff as it can be seen that bad employees' behavior and slow services can attribute to revenue loss because customers expect more from the more. Nowadays, sometimes staff have to work of unpredictable hours and have to deal with this, and it can be done if the staff is fully skilled and respect their work. It is very hard to find the employee staff who respect their customers and have superb service skills. Great staff are insufficient to transfer a normal entry or a bistro into a wonderful one. The next the next strategical issue is changing expectation of customers. The main focus of the Pullman Hotel is to keep their customer happy and delight, but nowadays it is not enough to make the customers happy. Moreover, Pullman Hotel is getting more difficult with changing expectation of the customer, and now it is a big issue to handle. Managers in the hotel business are controlling totally waste issue today than they did in the past, attribute to mechanical progression and reverse customer behavior. Customers are currently starting to expect a degree of comfort and proficiency that must be considered too. These are the references for my research, and thank you for watching.